Hello YouTubers, welcome back. As the video suggests, what we have today is a cover for the GoPro 5. It's just arrived, so we'll open that up and we'll have a look at it. Alrighty, so here's our pack. Let's rip her open and see exactly what it's like. Maybe I should have got myself some scissors when I did this. So there you go. Alrighty, so it's pretty thick and spongy, as I expect. So it's called a Wind Slayer. Let's put that on the device and see how she fits, eh? Alrighty, so as you can see here, I've got it on and it fits where it's supposed to, and I've got access to the buttons. It's a bit thick, you can see there, got my thumb in there, but ideally I've left the cage on there as well, and what we'll have to do is go for a ride now and just see what it does with and without, eh? We'll give that a run, guys. Let's do it. So I'm going to pull up a bit hard here. There you go, that's 100 kilometers an hour. So here we are, very spongy, deep finger hole to find the actual on and off button, but yeah, let's see how it goes. I think one of the features on the GoPro is that if I was to raise my voice like I am now, I'm actually trying to yell, I think it automatically cuts out the volume. So that's a test to see if it's actually how we're talking about. See if it actually cuts out volume if it gets too excessive, eh? Okay, so guys, as we kick off here, those of you that are new to the channel, welcome along. What you see from me is basically some product review, general riding, some DIY tips, some life hacks if you want to call them that. But generally I'm just out there enjoying myself, riding around with friends. Most importantly being free on my Harley Davidson Dyna. Today's video is more about the Wind Slayer, or some people call it a bit of a spongy cotton thingy that sits around the back of a GoPro to try and cut out the wind, and that's what we're testing. At the moment it is on and we will keep going. So if you're enjoying some of my content, or even if you're just sort of curious about what else is going on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By hitting that subscribe button, guys, you don't miss out on my videos. I'm open to any feedback you have, so in the comment section, don't forget, leave that there. So catch me if you can. Those of you who are interested in Instagram, one of my favourite pages is check out Biker Mayhem, so it's just one word, Biker Mayhem. You might be interested in some of the photography that's on there. So right now it's a little bit windy. I can feel it on my face and I can hear the wind, but hopefully this device has worked out for us. So yeah, thank you Mr. BMW. I intended to take off hard to test the device, but let's see how we go, yeah? In addition to testing out my new little Wind Slayer, a product I bought off eBay for only a few dollars from China, so it took a while to arrive with all this COVID stuff. What I will say, if you want to see this face that only a mother could love, what I need you to do is get us to 1,000 subscribers. If we hit the 1,000 mark, from then on I will no longer be hiding my face, and because that's proof that I have people that are interested in my crap, So if you are, then I will show you who I am and we'll continue on with the story. So tell your friends, get out there, subscribe, share my channel, and let's get to 1,000. Once we get to 1,000, no more face covering. So that's us testing the wind. There is a bit of wind, like I said, I can feel it definitely. Not a super windy day, so I'm not cracking speeds of 100 kilometers an hour. Easily 2-3 car lengths behind from where the actual stopping marker is on the line. I don't know what the hell some people are thinking. Anyway. Into the lane, don't forget to counter steer. On the other one, keeping the line, hold. I can't go too much more because my peak will stroke. But that was like 80 kilometers an hour going through that bend very comfortably. Thank you for watching. This has been a video in relation to the wind slayer, wind stopper, wind blocker, whatever you want to call it, little spongy thing that goes on the GoPro Hero 5. Yep, so it's the GoPro Hero 5. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment, guys. The product, if it's worthwhile, enjoy.